Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm showing you how to make mixed media tags from toilet paper rolls. So I have here a toilet paper roll that I flattened under something heavy for like 2 or 3 hours, and I'm cutting 2 squares from that flattened toilet paper roll, and I'm going to use some popsicle sticks as a pulling tab for these tags. I'm going to insert them later to a pocket that I'm going to make. I don't know where yet, but they'll fit inside pockets in an art journal page, or maybe a mini album or a scrapbook page or an altered book. I will have to see. So I'm using the popsicle sticks, attaching them to the toilet paper squares, and they're going to be my pulling tabs that I can hold on when I insert and pull out my tags. So I'm going to cover my tags with tissue papers, and I'm using Mod Podge or gel medium, whatever you have. And I am tearing pieces from my tissue paper. These are printed tissue paper. They're bought like this. I didn't make them. And you can see that I'm using large pieces, larger than the tag, because I want to wrap that tissue paper around the tag all the way to the other side and cover the other side as well. So I'm applying a layer of Mod Podge, attaching the tissue papers, and then adding another layer of Mod Podge on top of them. That will seal them and make sure that they're really attached to my tags. Really like this tissue paper. Don't even remember where I got it. So once one side is covered, I can go ahead, flip them. That it was not dry, that's why the stick fell off. And then I'm going to apply gel medium and wrap the paper around the other side of my tag. And the fun thing is that I'm going to wrap that popsicle stick as well. I want it to pop out, and I want it to show through the tissue paper. That is going to give it a really cool effect and texture. So I don't want to hide that bump of my popsicle stick. And since the tissue papers are have a pattern and they're quite noisy, I'm not going to add many things to my tags. But of course it depends on what type of tissue paper you're using. If yours is not as busy as mine, then you can add text and other things to your mixed media tag, or you can just leave it and add maybe a few more details like I'm going to. So I'm making sure that the popsicle pops out, and then I'm going to leave them to dry for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add a few details like I said. So now they're dry. First I want to cut around the edges of the tag, because obviously some of the papers do not fit the size. So I'm just going around with my scissors. And then you see some of the tissue paper is on the popsicle stick as well. And I've also shortened the stick a little bit because it was too long. Just cut it with scissors. It's really easy. So now I'm just going to ink the edges with some ink, and then I'm going to use black distress ink, and then I'm also going to add some papers, some images, but not a lot, just a few, one on each side. These tags are obviously double-sided, they have 2 sides. So I'm going to, on the one side where there are no popsicle bumps, popsicle stick bumps, I'm going to add full circles and half circles on the side where you can see the popsicle there, the popsicle stick. And then I've added a few lines with black pen and inked the edges. So I really hope you like this little project and that gives you ideas of how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.